everyone, welcome back to my channel. PlannerGirlMek here. Thank you so much for clicking on this channel. Today we are working on week 2 of April. Those are the dates, the 11th through the 17th. We are using the beachside kit from ThePlannerShack because this was my kids' spring break, so therefore it was our spring break as well. I also will be using some of the fashion dolls from the Glam Marks Society monthly subscription kit. I have already put in my day-to-day, as you can see, and I'm just moving a few things around. And yeah, just, doing some house cleaning, trying to figure out where I want my boxes to go. So now I clicked on the wrong thing. You see that? Okay, here we go. Get it together. I'm going to show you what is in this kit very quickly because I don't use everything that comes in there because, I mean, it would be all over the place because you get so much, which is amazing. You can use this kit probably like 10 times and it will always look different. That's what I love, love, love. This is the page that I chose. So beautiful. I love the scenery because where we went in Charleston, it looks like that, like in the town areas, like downtown and near the water. It looks exactly like that. It's pretty awesome. I love the bottom washi with the little ocean. And then these are all just the extras that you get. I'm sorry, I know that went by super fast. This is me showing you all of the ones that I cropped that I will be using for this spread. That's all the clip art, and I was obsessed with the butterflies, so I went a little crazy and kind of made the butterfly somewhat a theme in this spread, as you will see coming up soon. But now we are pulling in the boxes, and things are going to be going super fast because I did not cut out any of the decorating. Maybe just a few things, but I had to speed it up so the video wouldn't be as long. So I'm not going to have every video every week slowed down. Some are going to be sped up, just, so the videos won't be 30 minutes long. If y'all are here for a longer video and me explaining further of what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, just so you can have a reference, I have one kind of like that already, but if you guys are like, Meeks, we want another long video, we're okay with that. Let me know and I can get that going for you guys fairly soon. The next video that I am working on is a digital sticker haul, so you guys can kind of see what I've been using and stuff, you know what I'm saying? I want you guys to see what I've been purchasing because when I came back to my weekly planning, I realized that I hadn't bought any kits in a while. So yeah, you are going to see, however, I purchased some foil overlays. Oh my goodness. I mean, when I purchased these, I was like, what is happening over here right now? Because why have I not seen this before? And I have. So it came out really, really cute. I'm trying right now to not fluster and get you guys the name of the shop before I start using it. She has her own folder in I think it's called DigitalPlans. Digital Planner. DigitalPlans stickers. I'll have her links down below. You'll see pretty soon it'll just pop up. I'm right here. I'm just doing the same thing that I do all the time. I did switch this up. I took one of the colors out. But I will show everything that I purchased from DigitalPlans sticker in my digital sticker kit haul, along with some things to go with my weekly plan with me's, so you guys can see where I've picked up a few things and may have went a little crazy. Okay, excuse me, I just take a little sip of water. I have water this time, y'all. Water. So now that I've gotten my glitter headers in, I am just going to go through and put in my boxes. What am I doing? I just stopped working all of a sudden. Yeah, I'm putting in my boxes, girl. Gotta keep up with myself. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting in my full boxes, getting those all straight, and trying to figure out what I want to do with those. This week, I I don't want to say it was hard to plan this week, but I couldn't figure out what I want. There is a portion, I lied to y'all. There there is a portion that I cut out because I put a certain overlay over the boxes and then I didn't like the color, so I switched it to a different color. But I was just, this week I was testing things out. These are the overlays here. And I'm showing you that I switched them, but I took out the portion where I had the other ones. And look at this, y'all. Y'all. Those butterflies come in the kit, but the foil overlays are from DigitalPlan stickers. And I used it heavily. And I'm just showing you some of what's in there, giving you a quick little a visual of what you get when you purchase this. I think all of these stickers were only like $4, and you can use them in multiple kits. So yeah, if you have not scooped up any of her stickers, go over there and get some because they're amazing, and tell her that Meek sent you. Okay, I get nothing from her shop. I am just supporting a fellow shop owner. She did her thing with these. These are beautiful, and I snatched up a lot of them and I want more. So yeah. So here I am taking one of the fashion dolls from the Glam Marks Society subscription, and I'm placing her there. I've made a few changes, so I went ahead and took that one and moved it. And then I'm going to put in April 2022, and I'm going to make it a shadow one. So I'm going to make this one and then copy it and then place that one on top and kind of like drag it off to the side to where it's where I like it. And keep it black, and the one on top I'm going to make it white to kind of give it like a shadow effect, and you'll see what I'm talking about in a few seconds. It doesn't take much often to make a little pop of color in there. And then I'm going to take some of the butterfly clip art from the kit. You see here I'm trying to grab one so I can copy it. But I'm going to take that from the kit and I'm going to place it up next to the April 2022 to just try to give it a little design. And here I'm fixing up the border. And that is another beautiful fashion doll from the Glam Marks Society subscription box. It's digital subscription box, obviously. But look at that. Isn't it so pretty? I mean, just, it's not a lot. It's not too much, but it's pretty. I love it. It's just elegant and I like it a lot. And I'm not sure if I kept in me filling it. Nope, I didn't. So I pretty much did the same thing for my header. When I did my dates, I just went ahead and I used the bottom washi overlay from DigitalPlans stickers, and I put in the butterflies, and then I used one of her bougie boxes, I think that's what they call them, and I just cropped it to where I had like a cluster of the stars, and I placed it above each of the dates. Right now you see me taking some of the frames and placing them on top of my full boxes, and it just gives it like an extra little pop of color, which I really, really love. And I'm just going to do that to every single box, and then we will get into the day-to-day. I will have things timestamped down below. So you guys, if you want to jump to the day-to-day, you can. But, you don't have to. This stuff is fun. You're learning stuff. So to do my double box, I just took that same overlay and I flipped it upside down. And then I'm taking my fashion doll here, and I am putting her in the scene. It looks really cool. Okay. Will you notice the difference once it's all done? No, but I mean, I do because it's cool. Okay, so now we are getting into the day-to-day. Monday, the 11th of April, was the first day of the vacation. We went shopping on this day. Lord, have y'all ever been shopping with a 12-year-old? Jesus. Y'all, she wore me out. I don't even think I bought anything. Did I buy anything for myself? I think I got stuff to take to the beach, and I may have gotten a blanket from Vera Bradley Outlet, but other than that, that was it. Yeah, but she got a lot. She got a lot. She saved her allowance money for vacation so she can go shopping. So she's a smart with her money, but Lord, shopping with a 12-year-old is hard. It's hard. Lord help me. But I got through it, y'all. So here I am just changing the font. And this week, the font I used, what did I use for this font this week? It's called Academy Engraved Let. And I got that from defont.com. And that was the one that I chose to use this week. So I use that on just about all of them. I think I missed one, maybe. But yeah, so we are here on day 2, and it was beach day. We spent 3 hours at the beach. It might have been more. We went early in the morning, and we stayed until about 3 or 4 o'clock when it got like super crowded. And then we was like, all right, time to go. But we really enjoyed our time. It was just too much fun. My kids had a ball. So I'm just taking some of the clip art from the PlannerShack kits, and I am decorating that all up. And I think I will disappear and come back, and I will have some of the pictures from our trip in here. There we go. That's me and the hubby and the kids and me when I first got to the beach. Look at that girl. Look at the beach. Look at the beach. Okay, so now we are at day 3, and we were in Charleston, South Carolina. We went to visit some of the places where our ancestors came over to. This place where we went here was very life-changing. It's the old Slave Mart. And if you didn't know anything about it, I'm gonna leave a link down below to the video that I watched, because I didn't know that it was there. It's kind of hidden. They don't really talk about it that much, but it is the actual place where, when the slaves got off the boat from Sullivan's Island, in Sullivan's Island, that was a different location. In Sullivan's Island, when they got there, the slaves that were sick, they would leave them there. And I'm not 100% sure of the entire story. That's why I don't want to tell the whole thing. But once they went there, they went to Charleston. And when they got to Charleston was where they took them to the old Slave Mart. And that's where they actually sold the slaves. It was life-changing. It was tearful. We cried a lot. My kids cried. My husband cried. We all cried. It was a very awakening moment. So if you ever get a chance to visit Charleston, South Carolina, check it out. It's definitely worth the visit, or just doing your research online about the old Slave Mart in Charleston, South Carolina. I will leave a link down below to the video that I watched and how we found out about it. And as soon as we found out it was there, we went and we went to see it. But we are on Thursday. Thursday was the day we headed back home early. There was a big storm coming, so we decided to leave early that morning. When we got home, brought in all the stuff, I sat down and I watched 2 episodes of Moon Knight. If you are watching Moon Knight, comment down below and let a girl know. The last episode kind of shook me. I was like, what's going on? Where he at? I'm not going to have any spoilers, but I did watch that. And then later on that night, after I made dinner, there was a new murder mystery movie on Hallmark. So I watched the new movie. It was called Dying for Chocolate, and I loved it. I love their chemistry. I know some of you that watch my videos love when I talk about my Hallmark movies, so let me know if you watched this one, because I absolutely loved it. The next morning, I got up and I pulled out my planner because I didn't do any planning that week, and I had an early morning planning session. I cropped a bunch of stickers for my kits so I can have it all ready for my plan with me's. And I caught up on my girl Plans with CSRBD. If you don't know who she is, I will leave her link down below. She is a fabulous digital planner. She does Plan with Me. She also does paper and pen Plan with Me's. We did a collab last year. Hopefully we will get to do another one soon. But yeah, go check my girl out. She's awesome. Yeah, so then I did laundry for that day, and I think that was it for that day that I put. So now we are on Friday. I posted my new journal with me video, and then later on that night I watched Wrath on Lifetime. That movie, Michelle Williams shook me on that one. I didn't know your girl could act like that. I was like, okay, Michelle. I just, I saw her as, the good girl in the movie, and I don't know, I'm not going to spoil it, but I was like, okay, Michelle. Say my name, girl. Do your thing. Okay, don't get me started. And I just used one of the overlays from the other kit and made that all blinged up. And then Sunday was Easter Sunday. I didn't do a traditional Easter Sunday weekly, but I did do a journal spread, and that video is now posted. It is a journal and Bible with me video, and it is now posted. I will have it linked at the end of the video. But yeah, I did that, girl. I really love doing that. That came out really, really good. Pictures are on Instagram right now. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we are coming to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, the kit that I used was Beachside from the PlannerShack. And I also used some digital foil overlays from DigitalPlans stickers. I will have both of their links down below. Go check them out. Tell them Meek sent ya. And yeah, y'all, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging in there with me. And if you made it this far, leave me a heart emoji down below to let me know that you stayed with me. All right, guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.